Hello and welcome. Have you learned how to develop AI talking avatars, but now you are stuck trying to figure out how you can make money with them? I feel your pain and I am here to help you resolve that problem. In this video, I will discuss ways to monetize AI talking avatars by creating promotional videos for local laundromat operators. Most laundromats rely on foot traffic and outdated advertising, which leaves a massive opportunity for creative digital marketers like you. By offering short, professional videos using AI avatars, you can help these businesses increase visibility and build trust with local customers, without the owner ever needing to be on camera. Here are 3 simple ways to monetize AI avatar videos for laundromat businesses. The first option is to offer your laundromat clients promotional videos. How to get it done? Use an AI avatar as a friendly, helpful virtual spokesperson. Introduce the business by name. Show photos or video clips of the laundromat's clean machines, folding areas, parking lot, and amenities. Mention hours, pricing, and any special promotions. Monetization strategy. Charge a flat fee for a branded promotional video they can use on YouTube, social media, and Google business listings. Offer upgrades with voice customization or multiple versions. Business benefit. This service gives laundromat owners a professional online presence and a big edge over competitors who do not promote at all. The second option is to offer your clients short-form content to attract foot traffic. How to get it done? Create 15 to 30-second vertical videos using the AI avatar. Each video can highlight specific selling points, such as free Wi-Fi, wash and fold service, vending machines, or eco-friendly detergents. Monetization strategy. Sell a 3-pack or 5-pack of vertical shorts that the laundromat can post on Instagram Reels, YouTube, or TikTok. Business benefit. These videos help drive more walk-ins and make the business look modern and customer-friendly. Finally, the third option is to educate the laundromat's customers with avatar-hosted how-to clips. How to get it done? Use the AI avatar to walk viewers through the laundromat experience. For example, how to use our machines, tips for faster drying, or what is wash and fold. Add still images or simple video overlays. Monetization strategy. Bundle these as part of a customer education video series for new or first-time users. These can be shown on screens inside the business or posted online. Business benefit. Reduces employee questions, improves customer experience, and makes the business appear high-tech and helpful. Tips for success. Choose clean, friendly visuals with laundry machines, bright spaces, and a cheerful avatar. Use text overlays and contact information to keep it polished. Keep video scripts upbeat and fact-based. As you can see, you can monetize AI talking avatars by creating simple, affordable, and effective videos for laundromat owners, an industry that is largely untapped and often overlooked. This concludes the video on monetizing AI avatars for laundromat businesses, and thank you for watching.